Is Anika online store legit or scam? Let's talk about it.
Scam Detectors gives Anika.com a trust score of 75.4 out of 100, indicating a moderately trustworthy site. Similarly, ScamDoc rates AnikaBoutique.com 76%, suggesting average reliability. However, some customers some customers have reported issue like receiving different items than order or poor customer service. It's essential to lead to read review It's essential to read reviews and proceed with caution. In summary, Anika online store appears to be a legitimate business with average trustworthy. While many customers have satisfactory experience, some have encountered problems. Always conduct thorough research and consider using secure payment methods when shopping online.